Thanks for joining me at the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. In today's video, I'm taking you behind the scenes so that you can see what goes into making a beautiful garden. Come with me. Gardening can be a very therapeutic experience, but in order for that to happen, maintenance is necessary. You see, like everything else, a garden needs care. So that's what I will be doing today. Let me show you what I will be doing. These are weeds. They are called dollar weeds. If I could get $1 for each of these persistent and unwanted plants, I would be a wealthy person. Here they are, growing freely among the tomatoes, taking away the necessary nutrients that they need to mature. Today, I'm going to do as much as possible to get rid of these grotesque perennials. I know I won't be able to get them all, but I'll come back next time to do some more. They have been a challenge among the pineapples, as the pineapple leaves are prickly. They show up even at the base of fruit trees. Next, you're looking at the tools that I use in the garden. Here I have my trusty weeder, a pair of gloves, a mask, and my versatile bench. It can be used for sitting and kneeling. The handles make it easy for you to get up. The spokes on the weeder makes it easy to get to the root of the weeds, which is what you want while weeding. I also have some Jamaican callaloo that have seeded. These will be harvested. You know it's time to harvest the seeds when the stalks get tough. The seeds will be put to dry so that they'll be ready for planting in the spring. If anyone needs seeds, I'll have enough to give away. Some of the plants are very tall, and the roots get stuck firmly into the ground. but my weeder will take care of that. Even though the stalks are tough, the leaves can be stripped and cooked. Now it's time to move on to the edgings. I like when the base of the trees are clear and free of grass and weeds. Whenever I'm working in the garden, I like to take a break from one activity and go to another so that it doesn't get tedious and repetitious. when you're finished, this is what brings you joy. Not to mention some of the other benefits of gardening. First, it relieves stress. Next, it burns calories. Not to mention exposure to sunlight and nature. Also, it produces fruits and vegetables which have a positive impact on the diet. Gardening produces plants that absorb carbon dioxide and other air pollutants while releasing oxygen for us to breathe. So the next time you think about gardening and maintenance, consider all the benefits that comes with it. There we have it. Thanks again for joining me. And please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And join me again right here next time in the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. Thank you.